Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 20 inch canvas, some Meeden paint with a little tiny bit of water in it. And I'm going to try and get really funky now. I'm just going to put lines in all kinds of places instead of right down the middle. I'm going to put them where they feel right to me. That is the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold that I might put some black next to in a second because I probably meant to do that anyway. I wanted to use all of my pinks and purples. This is a this is a folk art neon purple that really needs to be near some white. So anywhere I put that, I'm going to want a little more white. I'm going to resist the orange for a while. I'm going to give myself some of that purple that I like. Find my, I think that is a golden, that's a golden product. It's quinacridone magenta with a lot of golden iridescent pearl fine in it. I think after I do the initial swiping, there's a good possibility that I might want to go back and add some more black. This is an Anita's White Metallic with just a little bit of pink, neon pink from folk art. Yeah, from folk art. Oh, speaking of neon pink, there's the neon pink. I know, Tara's going, "You're making another painting." She's right, I am. Not sure how much or how little paint I can get away with right now. I'm going to look at that and see what I think. I might want some more gold in a few places. I might risk trying to get this open right now. I got it. That is some 24 karat gold with a little bit of orange in it. It shouldn't affect anything too badly. I should just let it dry and keep it right like it is, right? Let's see if there's any place that I feel like I need. I wanted some of that prism for. I wonder what I did with that. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's see how it worked out since yesterday. And I think I've got a tongue depressor around here somewhere. Seems like every time I add water to it, it just doesn't necessarily stay diluted at all, which is fine. It does tend to craze, but it doesn't craze down to canvas. I still want some orange in there, but I'm going to be good. I am. I'm going to be good. Really? Am I? I don't know. We'll see in a minute. Clean that off right there. Now I could probably swipe either direction, and that might be pretty cool. Part of me just wants to take one swipe cloth and go the length of that. Let's see if I have the tool that I was using a little bit ago. Yes, I do. No, I don't. I wonder what I did with that. Well, I've got this, and I could use the edge of that, and I want more white. That's what's going to happen. I might want to put some orange in this afterwards. Let's just go from the, oh, you know what? Because the black and the white are the catalysts. So anywhere where I see that I think I want to start, then I think, do I have a catalyst close by enough to make that work? I'm doing it. Putting the orange in there. And I like it. You knew I would. Maybe if I don't go overboard. Maybe I want to go take a picture with my phone. This is cool. I like it. It's about to disappear. Oh, I don't know about the orange and the blue. Well, I want a smaller swipe card. And I have one. I really want that thing I was using so bad. Did I put it in the bucket and then lose it? I did. You know what? Just hang on a second, because I found what I was looking for. It just wasn't where I wanted it to be when I found it. This is the top to something, and it's got a built-in handle on it. So I'm going to try that. Now this is one of those times when I go, you know, the canvas is primed to begin with. Which means if I don't feel like covering up those holes, I don't have to. If they're interesting, I might just do that. Now I like to look at the color that I've got on there and vary the pressure on the card. I'm going to scrape it off right here. I'm going to take that white. That's blue. Oh, that's nice blue too. It didn't really come out blue. That's gold. So you can't necessarily count on it coming out, but there will be cells. There will be all kinds of cells popping up through these things. I'm going to take an entirely different maybe another card. Okay, another card. Because I really want that pink to pop out. I'm just sticking the card end in and pulling it up. And now I'm going to grab one of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and take that beautiful paint, put it right back in wherever I see a spot. I could use some. Come on, down you come. Because there's no point in wasting paint. I could put some white metallic from Anita's in there too and be pretty happy. Or gold or blue. And I don't have to fill them all in. I'm just compulsive, that's all. I'm pretty sure that any texture that I add at this point is not going to hurt anything. Like that. Just gives a more interesting area. And that hot orchid, the pink, That will dry so shiny, it will blow your mind. It just, it looks like jewels. I might regret filling in those white spots though, I gotta say. I kind of liked them better when they were white. But I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Not really. Give it a little bit of white. Metallic. Might catch the light. Ooh, that's a lot. Grab my big fat skewer. Just dabbing a little bit of paint into the white spots that I like the look of to keep them. And I really could put some white paint right onto my skewer. And whatever I get, I get. And I'll learn to like it. Because there's a lot of fun texture in there. A really lot of fun texture. And I have plenty of paint left that I just found. That I wish I'd found a moment ago. I guess it's okay that I didn't. Because now I've got it again. I like adding lines with the edge of the spatula. I really do. So it must be time to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. That's an interesting piece. I have more paint and I want to do something with it. There we go. That'll work. I touched my edges up to begin with a really thin layer of medium black, and oh my gosh, does it cover well. The most insignificant amount possible, and it covered with like one tiny swipe of my finger. It was amazing. I recommend it. The Meeden paint, along with my OXO omelet turning spatula and a whole bunch of other cool stuff, are on 4 different lists on my Amazon link below. Show more, and that helps me buy art supplies. It's a place you can shop, and it's at no added cost to you, but it helps me out. It's on the link tree. The link tree is underneath the video. Yeah, I'm just using the beautiful paint to add some textural elements wherever it seems like a good idea to me. And they're working wherever I put them, so I'm really happy that that's happening, because it's not always a gimme, even though I'm sure some people think it is. So let's torch. I'm going to call it good. Be a good girl and try and be on time for dinner tonight. Although, I see those little canvasy spots, and I don't want them there. And now they're pretty well gone. Okay, so I love you guys. There's almost 92,000 of you. I can't stop. Subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for still being here. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I post at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, Monday through Friday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. I'm very happy you stopped by. If you need videos for inspiration, I'm your girl. I got over 1,900 videos. 1,800 of them are probably available. Yeah, I'm just going for it. I see canvasy spot, and I just want to pull a little paint right into that void and call it good. Let's see what the torch does. So thank you very much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate that. And if you are one who can make a donation to help keep me painting and making videos, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds. I hold the drawing at the end of the month, and it's on the exhibition video, like I said, and the exhibition video is always changed out every month. Alright, so told you thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I'm not trying to fix those. I like that. I am going to try and zoom in. Wow, this is awesome! I am going to take my skewer and the fat end of it and try and plug it into a few of those little holes, but I might be better off not. You know, it's possible. But I can steal a little paint from one place and put it in another. And I do see that there are a few tiny little holes that probably should not affect me, but I'm so OCD at this moment. I can't stop myself. I can even fix my edges with that. Just the blunt end of the skewer and tapping. Whoops. She so lied. Put some paint on your skewer then. I don't mind a little bit of black on that edge. It's a good thing because I pulled the paint right up with the skewer. Okay, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. My playlists are organized by the 100 and topic and genre. If you need any help, please ask a question. I will give you a link if you need a link to anything, whether it's a product or a video or a playlist. I'm happy to give you assistance. What else can I tell you? On the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. Check that out. Oh, that's awesome. Just a section of this. I have Teespring clothing below the video. And it's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And I think something like one of these recent swipes would be an awesome addition to Oliver print leggings or t-shirts. So if you guys ever want to see something added, just ask me. Also, I do sell my artwork and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And my email address is below the video. Excuse me, under show more, when you click show more underneath the link tree. I've got 2 minutes to tell you whatever I'm supposed to tell you, but I've told you most everything of it except for please give me a thumbs up, please, please, please. And share my videos when you can, watch them longer. All those things help, including watching when the notifications come out. Really big assistance to me. So I post to Instagram when I'm painting in a day, so you can find fresh art there in the evening and in the morning probably. And Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I talked about Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, where there's like over 1,400 posts, and then they're made into like umpteen zillion different products. I have 2 books, and they're on the Amazon link. It's called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And I hope to write another book at some point in time, but I have to decide whether it's going to be best of or scapes, landscapes, or whatever have you. So rather than ramble on anymore, I'm going to just tell you I love you and I will see you anon. And make sure to tune in at either 1:30 p.m. in the afternoons or 10 p.m. at night, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night also. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Out. See you anon.